Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete images from Canon camera. And to do this we'll need to click on menu button. Now move to this page and right here you have erase images. Now inside I have one photo, but this one is protected, so what we need to do is to go back to this page and go for protect images, select them and unprotect this one by clicking on the set. Now that the key is gone, we can go back and find erase, select image, then click on set, then confirm it with OK. Click on this bin icon and it should erase this image from SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.